VU University is taking a bold step, ending collaborations with fossil fuel companies. This makes VU the first university in the Netherlands, and the second in the world to do so. A powerful example of taking responsibility. But this should be just the beginning. We believe VU University should lead more often in building a sustainable future. That's why we propose 4 ways to embed responsibility more deeply. First, introduce a sustainability code for leadership, students, and staff. This will promote awareness and responsible behavior. The annual Sustainability Week is already a great initiative. Second, create an open dashboard to report on sustainability goals, progress, and challenges. Responsibility means being transparent, not just about success, but also about what still needs work. Third, revise the procurement policy. Choose sustainable suppliers and products by default. And fourth, raise the bar. Don't just follow the rules, set the example. VU must lead the way. Today's students are tomorrow's leaders. Let's show them how it's done. Together, we can turn VU University into a sustainable university that inspires.